geometry. This is the two-dimensional coordinate geometry. Two-dimensional coordinate geometry only in the order pair x comma y is the point. Generally have to take in that point x comma y. This is the point. The first one x is called x coordinate. X coordinate. X coordinate. So y is called y coordinate. Y coordinate. Y coordinate. And also like this first component. This is called first component. First component. And y coordinate is called second component. Second component. This is the point. So point you have to take in that p. P equal to x comma y, that is the point. So and also like this order pair. And another name is order pair. Pair means jata, just only two. So order pair x comma y also. X is called x coordinate and y, that is the first component, and y coordinate, that is called second component. Second component. So in the board is the plane and this is horizontal line. Horizontal line. So this is horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line and vertical line. So horizontal line is called, this is generally x dash. X is the image of x dash and y is the image of y dash. So both lines intersecting at the point is called origin. So that is x dash ox is called x axis. X axis. And y dash is called y axis. So this is the first one, and the second one is y dash is called y axis. Y axis. So horizontal line, this is x dash ox is called horizontal line, that is xox is called x axis, and also horizontal line. Horizontal line. This is horizontal line. And y dash is called y axis. So and that is the vertical line. That is the vertical line. And both lines x dash ox and y dash intersecting point. X dash ox and y dash, both lines intersecting point. Both lines intersecting point is called origin. Okay, origin. That is generally we denote that so horizontal line x dash ox is called x axis and vertical line y dash is called y axis. Both lines intersecting x dash ox and y dash, both lines intersecting point is O. This is origin. Dividing in the four parts. Each part is called quadrant. Each part is called quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is Q1 and second quadrant Q2. This is third quadrant Q3 and fourth quadrant, not coordinate, quadrant. So that is Q4. So this is the x-axis, y-axis left side, y-axis right side lies on x-axis positive numbers. This is 1 and 2, positive numbers have to taken that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So lies on y-axis right side and positive line, lies on x-axis, y-axis left side lies on negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3 and also -4 like this. So y-axis and below the x-axis is negative numbers. So that is -1, -2, -3 and also -4. Above the x-axis positive numbers, that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. These are the positive and negative numbers. This is the coordinate plane. This is the coordinate plane, and also coordinate axis also like this. X dash ox is x dash ox is and y dash is also coordinate axis. These are called coordinate axis. And also x-axis, this is x-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. Both lines intersecting point is at the point is origin. Like this, here O is origin, that like this 0, 0 is the point. 0, 0 is the point. Lies on x-axis, lies on y-axis. Y-axis left side, y-axis left side. This is left side, this is right side. Y-axis left side lies on x-axis positive numbers. These are positive numbers. And that means x greater than 0. And also this is the first coordinate x greater than 0, and y-axis lies on positive numbers, that is also y greater than 0. That is the plus comma plus. Y-axis left is right side lies on x-axis positive numbers, and x-axis above lies on y-axis positive numbers, that is y greater than 0 and also plus comma plus. That is second. Next one is second coordinate. Second coordinate lo lies on x-axis, y-axis left side lies on x-axis negative numbers, that is the x less than 0, and above the x-axis lies on y-axis positive numbers, that is y greater than 0. That means minus comma plus. Second coordinate is minus comma plus. And also third coordinate lies on y-axis left side lies on x-axis negative numbers, that is x less than 0. So below the x-axis lies on y-axis negative numbers, that is also y less than 0. X is negative and y is also negative, both are negative. That is the third coordinate. And also fourth coordinate, so lies on x-axis positive. Fourth coordinate is xo y dash. Xo y dash is fourth coordinate. Xo y is the first coordinate. So x dash oy is called second coordinate. X dash o y dash is called third coordinate, and xo y dash is the fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate lies on x is positive numbers, that is x greater than 0. And also next one is the lies on y-axis negative numbers. Below the x-axis lies on y-axis negative numbers, that is y less than 0. And like this, x greater than 0 means positive plus, and y less than 0 means negative. Okay, this is the generally x dash yx is called x-axis, and also horizontal line, that is called x coordinate axis, and also yo y dash is called vertical line, and also y-axis, that is y-axis. So when it is using the number this diagram, so have to given the generally one point is given. Suppose that 1, 2. 1, 2 is the this is x component, and also y is the y component. Second one is the second component. First component is x and second component is y, and both are positive. This is the plus, this is also plus. Both are positive. Both are positive means lies on, the point lies on. So 1, 2 point lies on x-axis. lies on, so first coordinate, both are positive. So first coordinate. So this is first coordinate, first quadrant, first quadrant. And another one is how to given that generally another point is given, suppose that minus 3 comma 4. Minus 3 comma 4 is what? So minus 3 is the first component, that is x, and second component is y. That means x less than 0 and y greater than 0. That means minus 3 is the x less than 0. That is x less than 0 means second coordinate, and y greater than 0 also positive. So minus comma plus. This is minus comma plus. The point lies on second quadrant. The point lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant. And one more is given that, another point is given that. So suppose that minus 5 comma minus 3, minus 5 comma minus 3. The point lies on which quadrant? The point lies on which quadrant? So suppose that first point is the x is the negative, that is x less than 0. Second one is y coordinate, that is the y less than 0. So both are negative, minus comma minus. And x less than 0, y less than 0, both are negative. The point lies on, so belongs to Q3, belongs to Q3. And next one is, suppose that 2 comma minus 3. 2 is, x is positive, this is x component, x is positive, plus, and y is negative, plus comma minus, the point lies on fourth coordinate, that is Q4, that is Q4. Okay, so this is the coordinate plane, these are the coordinate plane. And also suppose that, so horizontal line have to take in that. So any point, this is the horizontal line. So horizontal line intersecting any point must be y coordinate is 0. So this is y coordinate, y axis, and intersecting point. So x axis, this is x dash, xo, x dash, and yo, y dash. So y dash is the vertical line, and x dash y axis is called x axis, that is horizontal line. So horizontal line, any point on the intersecting x axis, y coordinate must be 0. Generally, what is the point here? X comma 0. More than 2 points is like this. Suppose that, so first one is x1 comma 0. Here our second point is also intersecting. The point is x2 comma 0, and another point is intersecting also x coordinate, x axis, that is x3 comma 0. Generally how to like this. That means any point on x axis, intersecting that point must be y coordinate is 0. Only one point x comma 0. More than 2 points x1 comma 0. Here second one like this a. This is a is x1 comma 0. What is the point name is? Here a is x1 comma 0. Here point is b. b is x2 comma 0. Just find the distance between 2 points. So generally already you know the formula. So this is a line segment. AB is the line segment. A is the point x1 comma y1, and B is the point x2 comma y2. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points, that is AB. AB equal to under root of, AB equal to under root of, so x2 minus x, already you know the formula, that is the 10th class, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So generally geometry in the first year, 2-dimensional geometry and 3-dimensional geometry is there. 2-dimensional geometry, so generally the locus, transformation of axis, straight line, pair of straight line. These are 4 topics coordinate geometry, that is 2-dimensional, only x and y axis, x axis and y axis. So next 3-dimensional geometry is there, that is the x and y and z axis. So another geometry is 3-dimensional geometry, that is x, y Z. This is origin point. So this is the three-dimensional geometry, and x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So that is the another part. So first part is two-dimensional geometry. Two-dimensional geometry in the only for x and y-axis is there. So and distance between 2 points formed by using that. So have to given the here distance of AB lies on points x1, suppose that have to given the one more points here given that. So A is the point x1 comma 0 and B is the point x2 comma 0. So distance of AB equal to under root of formula using x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 0. This is x, first point is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So is 0 minus 0 whole square. So that is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So square will get cancelled, that is using for mod of x2 minus x1. This is the AB of. So the point lies on x-axis, distance between formula you have to using mod of x2 minus x1. And the point lies on y-axis, suppose that A is the point, point lies on y-axis, x coordinate is 0, that is 0 comma y1. Another point is B is the another point is 0 comma y2. So that is x-axis is 0, so that is lies on x-axis. X-axis is 0, the point lies on y-axis, the y coordinate is 0, the point lies on x-axis. The point lies on x-axis, distance between mod of x2 minus x1, and also the point lies of, so A is the point 0 comma y1 and B is the point 0 comma y2. 0 comma y2. Distance of AB equal to under root of, so here x2 minus x1, that means 0 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is under root of 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square is 0, under root of remaining is x2 minus x1 whole square, that is equal to mod of y2 minus y1. So distance must be using in the positive terms. Distance must be using in the positive terms. And the point lies on y-axis. So distance is mod of y2 minus y1, lies on y-axis, using for only lies on y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Lies on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Distance of the point lies on x-axis, mod of x2 minus x1. The point lies on y-axis, so distance of AB equal to mod of y2 minus y1. So this is the distance of formula. So x-axis is always y equal to 0. So this is horizontal line. Horizontal line means this is x-axis and x dash. So this is x-axis. X-axis equation is y is equal to 0. That must be y coordinate must be 0. And y-axis equation is x is equal to 0. And also point is x1 comma 0 and here point is 0 comma y1. So this is lies on y-axis. This is lies on x-axis. That's all. So this is the distance of the formula. Suppose that line segment AB is the line segment. A is the point x1 comma y1 and B is the point x2 comma y2. This is the AB is line segment. So that is line segment, midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to sum of the x coordinate by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2. So y1 plus y2 by 2. This is, you have to given the 2 points, that is the midpoint of AB equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is midpoint formula. Suppose the 3 are, so collinear, next one is, last one is collinear point. What is the collinear points? So the collinear points means 3 or more points, last So 3 or more points lies on 1, A, B, C. So 3 or more points lies on same line. 3 or more points passing through the 3 points. So that is the collinear points. That is the 3 r. In a line, 3 or more points passing through the 3 points. So that is the collinear points. So that is equal to AB, and the sum of any two sides is equal to third side. Any two sides is equal to third side, and also using slope of AB uses. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. And another one is area. So 3 points are given that, and area. 3 points is the triangle I have to given that. This is ABC is the triangle. A is the point x1 comma y1, and B is the point x2 comma y2, and C is the point x3 comma y3. That is area of triangle. Last one, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is area of triangle. 1, 2, 3 cyclic. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. This is area of triangle. Next class we will discuss after that.